Piloting drones is a relatively new activity that most people are starting to explore. We wanted to design a drone that introduced as many people as possible to the first-person view drone experience without breaking the bank. Introducing a whole new flight experience. The Bolt is an innovative and versatile first-person view drone available at a radical price. It's a complete, ready-to-fly out-of-the-box solution that's easy and safe to pilot. The drone for everyone. There are 3 ways to fly. First, for beginners, to start flying, simply turn on the drone and turn on the controller. The two will sync up and pair, and you can take off. The drone features altitude stabilization and a beginner's mode that makes picking up the basics a breeze. Learn how to safely and confidently maneuver and control your drone. Next, for those ready to expand their horizons, attach the screen to the controller and start piloting the drone further away. Simply turn on the drone and the screen. The camera on the drone will automatically sync and broadcast a live high-definition feed. Mount the screen on the controller and you're ready to go. Finally, for those ready for the full first-person view experience, swap the screen into the goggles and prepare for a whole new flight experience. Immerse yourself into the world of FPV piloting and cruise around high in the sky. Or try your hand at FPV drone racing and experience the incredible excitement from every twist and turn. Drone racing is a new and exciting sport that is quickly growing around the world. Using FPV goggles, pilots race their drones around courses to compete for the fastest times. It is truly the sport of the future. The Bolt can be used to experience drone racing at a fraction of the current price. It's an exciting virtual reality flying experience. The Bolt drone was designed and tested in Los Angeles by a team of expert product designers, aerospace engineers, and drone enthusiasts. It's built on a carbon fiber frame that offers unmatched performance and durability. The HD camera provides crystal clear video and photos, and the battery easily slides in and out for quick swapping. The drone design is modular, so that individual parts can be replaced. The result is a highly maneuverable, lightweight, and aerodynamic drone. The Bolt features a unique and innovative FPV viewing system that allows seamless transition from traditional viewing on the controller to FPV viewing using goggles. We're excited to offer the Bolt drone at a radical price. Traditionally, consumers purchase their drones at a high price point since importers, wholesalers, and retailers mark up the price of a drone up to 500%. By cutting out the middlemen, we are able to sell directly to you and pass on the savings. The Bolt drone was designed to introduce as many people as possible to first-person view piloting and racing without breaking the bank. With our finished prototypes ready for production, we're here on Kickstarter to raise the money we need for our first batch. With Bolt drones, we want to make first-person view piloting and racing accessible to everyone. With your support, this can be the start of something big.
We love it out there. It's how we meditate. It's a workout and a learning curve. It's our eternal playground. We also know how difficult it is to capture yourself in action. With every action sport bringing its set of unique challenges, nothing generic works. That's why we created AirDog, so you can capture your raddest and most memorable runs effortlessly. AirDog is the world's only self-flying action sports drone, and we've developed AirDog with custom flight modes for every action sport. To understand the unique dynamic of each sport, we worked with world-class athletes. We watched their insane skills and epic moves, listened to their feedback, and engineered it all into AirDog's action sports algorithms. With custom flight modes, AirDog adjusts its behavior depending on the sport to make sure you get a perfect shot while keeping it safe at all times. Surf mode. Instead of wasting battery and footage on your paddle in, AirDog takes off and captures the action when you reach the brake zone. Rapid directional changes and rotations are filtered out to give you super steady footage. AirDog makes sure it has enough battery power to return and land safely on the beach by itself. Backcountry snowboarding and skiing. Backcountry action demands extreme precision and sensitivity. And with AirLeash, you get exactly that. Even the most extreme elevation changes won't throw off the ultra-precise tracking. Plus, AirDog notifies you when the battery gets low and gives you enough time to choose a safe landing spot. Mountain biking. AirDog is super compact, making it ready to go wherever you go. Drops, kickers, and epic trails, it's why you do it. AirDog uses LiDAR, a system that will prevent it from crashing into the ground as it flies over terrain that's higher than the terrain that you're riding on. Wakeboarding. Whether you ride cable or boat, we've got you covered. In cable park mode, you just set 2 points along the cable line, creating a path that AirDog will stay on, while following and keeping the camera aimed at you at all times. You can even save multiple flight paths for future sessions. Set the line and go about business as usual. AirDog will automatically land safely on the initial takeoff spot, so no worries about trying to land it while you're in the moment. In wakeboarding boat mode, you don't want the drone to shift with every jump, flip, or rotation. To maintain a smooth shot, leave AirLeash in the boat and set the length of the rope. AirDog offsets the camera's focus to make sure you always get a smooth and perfectly framed shot. These are just a few sports AirDog is built for. There's more and even more to come. This is why AirDog is the only action sports drone. It tracks, follows, and stays safe in the most amazing places and harshest environments. You avoid the hassle, risk, and cost while capturing your action. AirDog dishes out killer footage from unlimited perspectives, so you can share your passion, improve your performance, and aim higher.
Pod racing is the stuff of sci-fi, and yet today, it's a reality. FPV flying and racing is an international phenomenon, but getting into it isn't so easy. There are no really fast, ready-to-fly FPV drones on the market today, and building your own takes time, tons of research, and hours of tuning. We knew there had to be a better way. So we made Tinky Drone. Most FPV drones are not much more than carbon fiber and motors, but we wanted to build something clean, elegant, and aerodynamic. Not just another FPV drone, but the drone of our dreams. After much research, we decided to go with the blend of carbon fiber skeleton and a composite thermoplastic skin. This combination makes Tinky aerodynamic, lightweight, and yet incredibly tough and impact resistant. The X-shaped frame gives Tinky the perfect balance and weight distribution. This means Tinky is stunningly agile and responsive. Tinky may resemble the drones you have seen in the stores, but its performance is nothing alike. Every flight is adrenaline-packed. You can spin, twirl, and cut through the air, or race across fields with unbelievable speed. As you perfect your piloting skills, Tanky will continue to grow with you. It comes with 3 flight profiles geared towards beginner, intermediate, and expert pilot, and a remotely tiltable camera that allows you to fly slowly and land smoothly, or really lean in and hit incredible speeds. Tanky was designed with a lot of input from the FPV racing community to be supremely competitive on any racetrack. If you have the skills, Tanky will help you get that first place finish every time. But Tanky isn't limited to FPV racing. Use it to explore and record the amazing nature around you and experience the world like never before. And you don't have to worry about crashing Tanky over and over again, because Tanky is extremely tough.
To make Tanky a reality, we need your help. Now we have the design down. Tanky flies beautifully. And we have manufacturing partners standing by, but we still need to make tooling for the injection molds, for the Tanky parts, and we need to hit certain minimum order quantities on the electronics and the motors and the ESCs and other components to make Tanky affordable. So please, make Tanky a reality. Support us today and join the exciting and amazing world of FPV flight.